Okay, Elizabeth, where are we?
We're at World's End Gorge,
World's End Gorge. Where's that? In South Australia, isn't it?
South Australia.
And
20 k's.
have a look at this magnificent
Burra.
tree here. I think this is what we call a river gum tree. It is huge, but if you took Liz for scale, it's absolutely huge. Yep, there she is. All right, let's have a look at the van. We're going to have a look at the caravan today. And we haven't shown anyone our new to us caravan, isn't it, Elizabeth?
Well, fairly newish. We've been away a few times.
Been away a few times, but
this is the longest trip.
so we had the camper trailer before, which we've shown on the channel, but now we bought, this is a Coromal. It's not an off-road version, it's an on-road version. So that means that the chassis up here is not as big and heavy. It's got the standard hitch, it's got twin gas bottles, it's got a 120 amp hour lithium battery, it's got a slide out barbecue in there, pull down table here, and she's 21.5 foot long. It's a 635 model, it's 2012, isn't it?
2012.
Now the good thing about these Coramals is they've got this aluminium frame, they're insulated, but they're also got independent suspension, so it tows beautifully. Now she's got an ATM upgrade, this, hasn't it? So it can tow,
I don't know much about that.
2750 kilograms all up in this, and the Colorado can tow it easily. So let's go and have a look inside, shall we?
Sure. Come on inside. Got your L-shaped dining here. We've got the queen bed, which is a walk-around bed.
Mm-hmm. Queen size bed, full queen size bed.
Full queen size with
Open the cupboards.
wardrobes on each side.
And we've got lights inside. The best thing ever to put lights inside there.
Yep.
And what's that thing up there?
Oh, this is for the hot water. Hot water switch.
Mm-hmm.
It's got
So it's gas hot water.
Yep.
And that's a Truma gas hot water.
Got fans. We've got a TV.
So we've got two fans. This is one. And then this under here is a Truma.
Diesel.
No, gas.
Oh, gas. That's right.
Gas central heating system. And we do have a TV.
That's a control box.
Very rudimentary, which is what I like. It does have a charging system. So it's got 200 watt solar on the roof, which will keep that 120 amp hour lithium battery quite well charged. All right, so kitchen.
Nice kitchen. We like the homey wood grain look. It makes it look cozy.
A lot of modern vans are very stark. Some people say they refer to them as operating theatres because they're all white. I think we much prefer... What happened to timber look in vans like this? It just sort of died out, didn't it? We have got storage everywhere in this thing.
Storage everywhere. Under the bed, under or everywhere. There's plenty of
storage. Now, the other good thing that we have is that oven. Do you want to open the oven there, Elizabeth?
It's a great oven. It does the pie very well.
We haven't done a roast or anything like that. And just lift up the cooktop.
Oh.
With the cooktop, we've got...
Electric.
So one electric, 3 gas. So that's if we're on mains, we can use the gas, the electric there. Now, we also have a Dometic 3-way fridge. We were thinking of, well, I was thinking of changing this fridge to just a compressor fridge. Stacks of room in there. But the good thing about this is it will run on gas. So, gas, electricity, or 12 volt. When it's on 12 volt from the car, it'll just maintain the temperature. It won't cool anything. But when it's on gas or 240, it absolutely cools everything. Now let's have a look in the
What?
ensuite.
Oh, ensuite. Oh well, ensuite is.
Now, why do we like this one better? Because it's separate.
Because it's all separate. We have separate sink, separate toilet, and the shower. It's not one. It's not a wet room where it's all together.
So what sort of toilet we got here? We've got a Thetford.
Yep.
It flushes, but it's a cassette toilet.
Yep.
And the other thing we found, the previous owners gave us, was called Happy Bowl.
Oh yes. Well.
Very, very, very good thing to do. This is the put the light on in there.
Oh yes.
So it's a light.
Have you just moved that out of the way?
We're storing the mop in there. But this is the full size shower. Got a little mirror in there.
Works very well.
It works a treat.
Water gets very, very hot.
Water gets very hot. So there's two settings on the hot water. I'll go back to the hot water. I'll just zoom in on this. So I don't know if you can see, but one is 60 and the other one is 70. We always run it on 60. 70 if you want to rapid heat it up. But oh my God, it's so hot. We've got 200 litres of water that we carry with us, and we've got another 150 litre bladder we can fill up.
We also carry with us a generator,
So we've got a generator for off-grid.
and then we have 2 power stations. I've got my smaller one, which is, what's that one, 500?
Yeah,
And yours is
50 amp hour.
50 amp hours, and yours is,
Mine's 100.
and yours is 100.
So we've got
we
two
have
portable.
2 portable power stations.
So we've got about 250 amps of lithium, which is plenty for us. Yeah, we don't need any more than that. Okay, that's it.
That's it.
Yeah, but it's been Lizified. It's had some Liz touches. I chose the cushions, and
You did
as you can see, I chose all the bedspread and everything else.
no.
That's all me doing that. Liz had no part in that at all. Isn't that right? Liz chose everything. I did choose that.
Oh, we both saw that.
We both saw it, but yeah.
We even got a matching
Oh yes,
kettle.
Liz got this kettle from England.
Yes. So it all matches our colour scheme.
Don't look at the dirty dishes in the sink.
Yes.
Anyway, that's it. Please hit the like button. Yeah, let us know in the comments about your advice, experience with second-hand vans. We love this one, so I don't think it'll be. And
It's not your over $100,000 rig,
nope.
but it does the job. It's got everything in it that all those rigs have.
So 2012 model, tows beautifully, and it cost me a third of the price. So, yeah. Okay, bye for now.
Ciao.